Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are decorating for Adalynne's 3rd birthday. The theme that we are going with this year is princess. She really wanted to have a under the sea birthday, which to her is a Little Mermaid birthday, but we decided to just go with all the princesses because it was much easier finding all the princesses. And she literally loves all the princesses anyway. They're like her favorite things right now are just princesses, dressing up. So that's the theme that we decided to go with this year for her birthday. I have so much to get done. It's insane. Like, I am so behind this year. Normally I have like way more done the day before her birthday than I do this year. If you're new to my channel and this is the first video you're checking out, I am currently 16 weeks pregnant. So I am completely exhausted this year. Like, I do not have the motivation and the energy that I had for the previous parties, but somehow we're gonna make it work and it's gonna hopefully, fingers crossed, look just like the other parties. We have so much to do, like so much to do. So I wanna quickly show you guys just a few things that I already have done. I'll show you an overview of the garage. If you guys are new, I do have Adalynne's birthday parties right at my house every year. We don't usually, go anywhere. We always just stay home for her birthday parties. And we do have a garage that fits all of our family and friends, so it works out perfect for us. We did redo the floor this year. So if you guys saw previous vlogs, I'll have all her other birthday videos. There's only 2 of them, but I'll have them linked down below for you guys in the description box if you want to check out her unicorn birthday party and her frozen birthday party. But the floor wasn't done last year or the year before in the garage. So that is a new addition to our garage, that we have our floors done. So I'll make sure that I show you guys the garage before and then after, just like all the other birthday vlogs, and let's go ahead and get started. I want to show you guys, I don't think I've ever showed this in a vlog before, so I want to show you guys how I get ready for Adalynne's birthday parties. I type up one of these every year. I know it's weird, but like I like to be super organized with her birthday parties. So every year I just type one of these lists up and I put like the food, everything that we're having for food, and then like if I need to add little notes, I'll put little notes on the side, the decor, what I'm doing for decor and everything, what I need to purchase, and then goodie bags and whatever else I decide to write, I just add onto the bottom. So that is one of the very first steps that I always take every year with planning her birthday, is I always sit on the couch and type up a little note so I know exactly what I'm doing. I want to show you guys as well, I just finished making these last night. These are the little goodie bags that I have for like everybody to grab walking out the door. I just got these gold pretty bags at Walmart. They were like 97 cents. They were super cheap. And inside is 2 pretzel rods with the pink chocolate and the gold sprinkles. And then it says, "Thank you for coming to 2D's royal 3rd birthday. We call Adalynne 2D." And everybody that is at her birthday know who 2D is. And everybody calls her 2D. And if you don't call her 2D, she'll make sure that she tells you that her name is 2D. So this is the garage. This is the before. I have to move all the paint cans underneath of here. And then just like some other little things. These are the centerpieces for the tables. I have the little goodie buckets. They're supposed to be goodie bags, but I bought the buckets. I thought these were super cute. I got these ones for the girls and then the silver ones for the boys. And I will show you guys how I made them. I pre-recorded how I made them, what is in them, so I'll make sure to add that into this video as well. And then over here we just have like, the crock pots and the princess again. So I have a lot to clean up and do before this is all done and over with. So let me start cleaning this all up. No, that's perfect. That looks really good. It's looking good. Do you like it, Adalynne? Yeah. Yes.
I need more balloons then.
So this is the newest addition to the party planning. My friend Ashley let me borrow this, but I am 100% buying one. I think she said it was like 20 bucks off of Amazon, and it is like a game changer for making like the balloon arches. We usually, how long does it take us to blow up balloons?
Like 2 hours.
Yes, and we literally blew up all these balloons in like 20 minutes with the both of us. It was amazing. So you definitely have to buy one of these ones because it's the best thing, and all you literally do is go like this. Oh, hold on. And then it blows them up. And you can actually blow up 2 at a time instead of like just one. You can use this one too, or you can just like, you can leave it on and just like keep going nonstop. I'm getting ready to fill up the rest of the little goodie bags, or goodie bins if you want to call them this time. I just finished the girls, but I wanted to show you guys what I put inside of them. So I just stuffed them with some tissue paper, and then these are the little containers or bins, little buckets, whatever you want to call them. I got them at Party City. And then inside is a little thing of candy that I just filled, a pair of sunglasses, a little thing of glitter putty slime, and then a little princess gel pen. And then while I was at Walmart, I found this cute little thing of Rice Krispie treats. I thought these were really cute for the little goodie bags. So I'm going to put one of them in each one. And then I filled the rest. That was exactly what was in them. Let me put that back in. And then these are going to go on the table after the girls get their little makeovers. I picked up some bracelets and just a pack of rings for them. And then these are for the boys. I got the boys each a little dinosaur necklace. One of these things, I think all little kids love these little weird things, so I figured the boys would enjoy them. They're gonna get one of these inside as well, and then, and then one of these little candy bracelet things. And then I also am going to be putting in the buckets little packs of stickers. How's your dinner? What are you eating? She's having oatmeal for dinner. This is like, you know, it's an okay dinner, right? And we're finishing up the last balloon arch, and then we are almost done. Use like 9 of them.
Yeah. Here, eat this. Look, you gotta eat this. Yes. Wow, here you go. Here you go.
Alright guys, so it is really late. I always end these party planning videos super late every time because that's just what time we get done. It's like midnight right now. I have to go in the house, do dishes, and then I also have to vacuum the living room and get a shower. And then we're all set for tomorrow. I do quickly want to show you guys just really quick what we did, and then I will go into like, not really detail, but I'll show more in Adalynne's actual birthday party vlog. The garage came out so good this time. I really don't know which one is my favorite, like, because every year that we do it, I think I have a favorite, and in the following year, I have another favorite. So my battery is about to die like right now. So let me quickly just show you guys what we did and a little bit of details, and then I will end it. So these are the centerpieces that we did this year. They're little Cinderella carriages. I have to blow these up tomorrow to add them onto the balloons, but these will probably deflate overnight, so I'm gonna do it in the morning. And then this is the little makeup princess station where the girls are going to get their makeup and hair done. And I'll put all that out tomorrow as well. And then over here is where they are going to be like taking pictures. The adults can take the pictures right here. And then I also have this carriage. We use this at my baby shower actually because we did like a princess theme at my baby shower. This is from Lowe's. I don't know if you can purchase it anymore or not, but it is literally stunning. It's so beautiful, and every time I light it up, I'm like blown away at how beautiful it is. And over here is the cake table. I'll show you guys the cake and all that tomorrow. And then here's this balloon arch. This lights all up. And then this is the big table where like all of our food goes and all of that. We are gonna have the chocolate fountain again. That was a huge hit last year, so we're gonna do it again this year. But yeah, that is it, and we are ready for tomorrow. So I really hope that you guys liked today's video and this little party planning for my little princess. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel because in a couple weeks, I'm going to be doing my gender reveal. I'll make sure that I film a prep video just like this one and then the actual day of the party. So like I said, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Adalynne's birthday vlog. Bye.